Okay, guys, appreciate everybody's patience. Lots of videos are going to be coming up next couple of days. You guys are going to be seeing customers will be getting lots of tracking numbers. Appreciate a very busy week last week. With that being said, though, I can only do so much as one person, so I'm going through orders and getting them out in the order they came in, getting videos done, things of that nature. So appreciate everybody's patience. If you haven't got a tracking number from me yet, you will be getting one soon. Radios, amps, everything else. This is a 2-driving 8 for Mr. Keith. Keith, I appreciate it, man. Appreciate your patience. He trusted me enough to send me a money order, so that's always nice to have customers trust you like that. Fatboy 2-driving 8, two 2290s driving 8 2879s. I think he's going to be very pleasantly surprised because this actually has a feature on it that he did not ask for, and I think it's this switch right here. Actually seems like it kills the driver section, so I haven't had the lids off to really check. But I did check the output, and we go from doing quite a bit of power to killing one switch, and we drop down to about half power. So my guess is that it does kill the driver section in it. No, that's not something he asked for, and that would generally be a pretty good fee to go along with that. But it wasn't factored into the price. He didn't ask for it, and that's just the way it showed up. So he gets it for the same price, not anything extra or anything, but a very cool feature nonetheless. It does have this different remote jack on it because I'm assuming it was designed to where the remote you got for it would control, both switches. So it does have the 4-pin remote jack on it. Okay, that being said, let's test it real quick. You guys know that I can't get full output with my electrical situation back here. I don't have enough juice coming to my supply. One day I may put a super cap in line, and I also need to get me a new dummy load. I'm gonna bite the bullet and just buy a bird dummy load. So, but we can test it for functionality, and that's better than nothing. Make sure it's good to go when it leaves here. That being said, we're going to just give it an audio and see what kind of current we draw. Turn my peak meter off, because I'm watching the meter over here while I'm doing this. Hello. So 112 amps. Again, you're going to see more than that if you're feeding it with enough juice. You will see that current come on up, but that's at 14.9, which is actually about 14.8. Do not exceed 15 volts on one of these. That's my recommendation. We'll come over here and we'll show you average power. So 2500 watt slug, we're looking at the top scale. Hello. So 250 watt dead key swinging 750 average. Realistically, with enough juice going to this thing, you'll see that average power number come on up to 800 plus. And then we'll go to PEP. And this is the real difference. When you lose 50 to 60 watts average, or 50 to 80 watts average, you're going to lose, 200 watts or so at least PEP. So we're going to see less PEP than we will on an ideal station. So top scale still, peak power, PEP, PEP. What do you do for me with a little PEP? Audio, check 1, 2, 3, audio. So 1550 or so, you could stretch that out and say 1600, but around 1550 is what it's doing. And again, expect that to come up a couple hundred watts as long as you have enough juice coming to it, enough voltage, enough current, everything else. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to kill this switch. Amplifier is still on, so this is our power switch over here. This one is our kill switch, and let's see the power output difference. So we're still on peak. We're going to look at the top scale. Check, audio, check. So we were doing 1500 before, and now we're doing 750. So, like I said, I haven't had the lids off this thing, but if I was sitting here taking a guess, 750 watts, I would say that we're just running 8 pills with no drive. So that's more than likely killed the driver section. And just for kicks, we'll see what it does average. Hello, not diddly crap. So it's doing like 200 something watts average. And that's what you can expect when you're under driving one like that. If you guys want to see the current that it draws. Hello, 46 amps. So there you go. 2-driving 8 for Mr. Keith. This is a dang nice box. I like this one a lot. Like I said, ideal for Cobras, President McKinley, all of your, regular output radios and aren't like Striker 955, 655s. You could even take some of the older Galaxies and drive into it. Some of the newer ones, if they don't go crazy, you know, I wouldn't sit here and hit this thing with like 60 and 70 watts, anything like that. You just kind of gotta use your head on it. You know, 2 watts dead key or so probably. Overall dead key, if it was mine, I would run it at 250 to 300 watts. You can probably get by with a little bit more. But if it was mine, that would be the overall dead key out of it, and just let it swing that 1600 to 1800, you know, or if it shows 2000, that's great, you know. But I would probably expect around 1800 PEP. That's it, guys. 2 driving 8 Fatboy 2879 standard with 2290 drivers. More videos to come. Questions, comments, shoot me a text. 423-299-3535. Rooster in Tennessee. See you, bye.